Not every dog is good for any situation. If your kids have been begging for a puppy for Christmas for a few years now, and you've finally decided to cave, here are the top 10 suggestions for the perfect puppy for Christmas. Let's have a look of top 10 dog breeds. 10. Standard Poodle. Miniature poodles are high-strung and not good for families with small children, but standard poodles are perfect. They are energetic and playful, but small enough to help even the most frightened children feel comfortable around it. Additionally, they shed very lightly, so they are great for families with allergies. 9. Newfoundland. This breed is probably one of the biggest on the list, but he's a giant furball of love. He has been dubbed nature's nanny and does best with lots of space. However, this lovable furball will thrive wherever his family is. This breed sheds a lot and is prone to drool, so be aware of this when considering him for your next family pet. 8. Collie. Easily trainable, lovable and lives to make his human happy. The Collie, much like Lassie, is a friend to everyone. He is intelligent and able to herd your kids, at least while they are young. He can also be trained to warn you of fire, or simply remind you that you forgot your lunch when you're leaving for work. The Collie does require some grooming. 7. Bull Terrier. This may be the most intelligent dog on the list so far. This little guy has been called the babysitter of yesteryear. He is intelligent, energetic and friendly. The Bull Terrier requires lots of playtime, but is gentle with small children and can be a great first family pet. 6. Bulldog. These guys are sturdy, great for kids, but slow and not too rambunctious. Good for the grown-up family. They can live in a small apartment or large home without causing too much trouble, are easy to groom, and quite lovable. 5. Pug. This is our choice for city dwellers. Their compact size allows for them to be okay with living in small spaces. These dogs are people lovers and prefer to be with their caretakers at all times. They also don't require a lot of grooming or exercise. 4. Brussels Griffon. This breed is great for families with both small kids and seniors living under the same roof. They need daily activity, but not intensive. They are cuddlers and are a smaller breed so that small children and grandparents won't feel threatened. 3. Beagle. If your kids have lots of energy, the Beagle is a great choice. Compact enough for the kids to be comfortable with and enough energy to drive you crazy, the Beagle makes a great companion for tweens or teens that need a little responsibility. They will be able to keep up with their energy as well. 2. Labrador Retrievers. This breed has been ranked number 1 dog in America for years. They do well just about anywhere, although they do prefer the open air of a rural neighborhood. Historically, they were trained as hunting companions. If you are a family that loves to camp, hike, and be outdoors, these guys will definitely be your best friend. They have shorter hair too, so they are easier to clean up after a weekend away. 1. Golden Retrievers. These guys do best when they have lots of space to run. As the name suggests, they like to chase/retrieve things. Keeping them fenced in is probably best when they are young. However, they are easily trainable. Be aware that these guys are definitely prone to shedding though, and will require lots of brushing and a good vacuum.